my name is Lisa Morris. This is my video for setting up a microscope. So we've got our slide that I made before. Okay, so before we turn on, we turn the light down. I'll put the stage down, so turn it on. Place our slide on the stage. Make sure the slide is the right way up. Now move the stage up, so I've got the setting on 4. Move the stage up. And now we look through the lens and move the eyepieces until you can see one image. Okay, now we can use the coarse focus to bring that into focus. Okay, there we go. Now we can change the setting to 10. Now we don't need to touch the coarse focus anymore. You can just use the fine focus. Okay, adjust the iris diaphragm to the appropriate setting, which is this down here. Yeah, and the height of the condenser, which is this one here. Okay, so we can use these knobs here to move the slide around. So this one goes vertically, the bottom one goes horizontally. We can move on to the next one, which is 40. And then use the fine focus again. Okay, and then we can move around to view our slide. And then turn the brightness up if you want. And that's that. Okay, so need to turn it off, put the stage down, dispose of this as a sharp, so pop it in the sharps container. And then so we've got our lens optical wipes here. Grab that part and each lens, any bit that you've touched. Turn it off and place the dust cover over the top.